Hey there traders, Todd Gordon here. Welcome to the Trade Cave. This is CNBC's Trading Nation. Traders, we're focusing in on the results and the financials, and the earnings were pretty solid, except the market reaction was pretty muted, and I'm seeing the volatility that we saw in the prior day. Following President Trump's comments about a dollar being too strong and he getting used to lower interest rates. That really shook the macro markets, and we're seeing that volatility kind of spill into today. So I am not all that surprised by the lack of upside reaction in the financials to somewhat decent earnings. What I'm noticing though is the Nasdaq is holding up relatively better, and as long as the financials can stabilize here, I think that volatility we've seen in recent sessions might start to peter out a little bit. And one stock that I'm looking at that we all love is Tesla. Tesla, I'm looking at it on a pullback. I just started nibbling on some, and I'm going to look to add to more to this Tesla as we pull back below 300 into support. So let me just show you the chart, and then we'll keep an eye on things. So the first chart, as I mentioned, is XLF, the financial ETF sector spider, and we have pulled back into this 23 level. In a prior video, we did sell a call credit spread on XLF. Go ahead and let's book those profits and get out of the trade because we're not really punching through this support level. So as we spin over to the Nasdaq, we'll just look at it on the QQQ, which is the ETF that tracks the NDX 100. You can see the market's holding in there pretty well and is not breaking these recent mid-April lows right around the $130 region. In fact, we're well off of that. And it looks to be that the Nasdaq is starting to put in a little bit of a bottoming formation. So tech is holding up relatively well as the financials and the macro markets in terms of bonds and the currencies are sorting themselves out. So let's take a look at Tesla, as I mentioned, and this guy has held in extremely well. We do have a position ongoing in Tesla from a prior Trading Nation video. I like the way this is looking. I'm looking to add to this position a little bit. We've had a bit of a pullback to just below 300, but don't worry, that's just a psychologically important number because it's around 300 figure. The real support comes in right at about the 290 level, looks to be, and that looks to be holding support. So this is a good spot to kind of scoop some Tesla if you're already long. If not, add a new position. So that's what we're going to be focusing on here as we kind of shift through these financial earnings. For CNBC's Trading Nation, I'm Todd Gordon. Be sure to follow us at Trading Nation on Twitter for updates to these market observations as well as all the trades that our traders are watching. And we'll see you guys on the next video update.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.